Beyond Meat. Finally, today is 3% from yesterday, 8%. As you can see here, guys, we have a huge pullback after the big pump that happened on the 28th April last Monday. So 1 week ago, we have this huge jump. And then the rest of the week, we have a consolidation down. So in today, we have to discuss Beyond Meat price action for the rest of the week, or for the rest of the end of this month, because we got few days left before the month of May. So before we go further, remember our content always for educational purposes only. So as you can see here, guys, we've got an interesting level of support to hold over the 78. This is the current level of support, guys. If we held it, is mean Beyond Meat will give us a drastic reversal up. This time where the shorts added their position around the 120. Yes, the 155 is still currently the major level of squeeze that we have to break. But as you see here from this channel that we broke before, guys, we still currently over this channel and over the breakout. So technically, we're not flashing down, and technically, the buyers or the big whale that made the price squeeze here, they're still holding their position. This is what we care about, guys. We don't care about the small fish. We care about the big whale, because those whale are the one who move the market. The rest, the little fish, we don't care about them, because this is a noise in the market. So now we have to watch out for one main event, which is the 155. Yeah, the 120 is really important, but in the big picture, we've got this level around the 155 or over the $1.55 in order to squeeze the next time toward the $2.17 and maybe the $2 or the $3.28. Those by far the technical level that we should watch out for, of course. AOI, we have a huge reversal right now. Yes, a huge dip and now a huge reversal. We're gonna discuss AOI later, but for now we have to watch out for of course, Beyond Meat for the rest of this week. We're gonna do another update, of course, for Beyond Meat once we got any level breaking out down or up, because right now we're still in consolidation zone between the support and resistance. And we're gonna discuss this on our Discord and be tuned before the market open, like what we did last week. For Intel, it was really good swing trade, as you can see here. And of course, we're going to discuss Beyond Meat once we have some news or it's a technical change. So hit the like and subscribe, guys, because we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open to discuss the market event.